Is unbelievable take a very huge jump Ecash coin my friend, but sometimes they were fails down, so this is, does not mean to you are starting selling. Alright my brothers, so we will talk about the next explosion of Ecash coin, though they will coming very urgently my friends. I am 100% sure to just and only in upcoming 10 days they will give you a very huge jump. So therefore my friends, please try to understand holder in this video. First of all, I will update you, I will guide you, and after that I will predicate my friends. So kindly holders, you will need to watch this video completely and take a very huge profit. My friends, Ecash coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency this time in the crypto market, but they were fails down temporarily in last 24 hours. You can see here 2.67% the price is fails down. The price is 0.000185 USD dollars, so this is not a less price my friend, it's really high price. I am 100% sure my friend to the price will more increasing in upcoming time, but for that you will need to hold. The market cap, as you can see my friends, 2.64% decrease, so don't worry my friends, I am 100% sure they will again increase. The fully diluted market cap, you can see 2.64% decrease, so this is does not my friends permanent dump. I am 100% sure they will again starting moving upward. But the volume, oh my goodness, 226%, you can see my friend. Therefore I will tell you this is temporary fails because the volume is increasing. So if a volume is increasing, everything is depend on volume my friend. If a volume is going good, that's mean to the coin is very good now my friends. People are investing, so therefore the market cap, the volume is going good now my friend. Alright my brothers, so this time if we check out, we will need to predicate this coin. So for that we will need to check out the chart result my friend. So the chart result is going 100% my friend. You can see here good now. You can see my friend they were fails down, but remember to this is just only last 24 hour temporary fails. Absolutely, because after a temporary fail you can say they will take a very long jump and they will hit the resistance line, so that's mean to they will recover all loss and they will get a profit. But my friend, you can say they will again fails down, so therefore I will tell you this is price will fails down, but don't worry, after that I am 100% sure they will take a jump. So if they will take a jump, then that is clear my friends, so they will give you a profit and they will make you a millionaire. So see you next time holder. Please try to understand to in upcoming time my friends, Ecash coin price will pumps up and give you a more profit, and especially in upcoming 10 days. So therefore you will need to hold down and wait for the end of month. See you next time holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.